What's up, guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Tron here. Currently down about 1.25% for the day, just below 5 cents. But we're looking at the BTC value down about 1% for the day, sitting at 720 BTC. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 286 billion. Today's volume is 11.6 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 40.2%. Not much has changed. We've been doing a lot of consolidation here. Bitcoin down about 0.5%, sitting slightly above 6,700. Ethereum down 1.5%, sitting at 525. Ripple down 1%, sitting at 53 cents. Bitcoin Cash down about 1.5% as well, sitting at 873. EOS down almost 1%, below $11. Litecoin still below 100, down about 1.25%. Lumen's down 2%, sitting at 22 cents. Cardano is still sitting below 16 cents. Big winners today, Jesus, wow. Spectre, AI, DI, I don't even know what the rest is. Spectre A dividend token, wow. Up about 20% right now. Oh, whoa. How come it showed that it was... Well, that was weird. Well, now it's not the big winner. Centrality up about 62% for the day. Funfair up about 14. And basic attention token up about 12. Ethereum Classic up about 8. Sitting slightly below $18. Remember, folks, this one is going to be added to Coinbase here pretty soon. But you folks came here for some Tron. Market cap is sitting at 3.1 billion. Today's volume is 220 million. Circulating supply here, folks, 65 billion. Total supply 100 billion. Sorry. Major exchanges here: Upbit, Bithumb, Binance, OKEX, BitC, Bittrex, and HIT, BTC, and Liquid looks like are the major exchanges. BTC to USD in the daily, folks. Pretty straightforward here analysis. This is what I'm expecting. Either we get that break and close above 6.8 on the daily, or we get the break and close below 6.5. If we break and close below 6.5, I'm expecting BTC to fall down to 5. If we break above 6.8, I'm expecting BTC to make a run up to 7.5, come back down, form a higher low at this level. This is going to be the beginning of our uptrend, and then from 7.5 back down to 6.7, and then from 6.7 up to about 8,000 is where my second target would be. However, I'm still waiting for that break and close, folks, above 6,800 or the break and close below 6,500. But again, just my personal opinion. Momentum starting to shift towards the upside. However, no confirmation just yet. Ethereum to USD, folks. Very nice little aggressive downtrend we have here. So pretty straightforward as well. If we break and close above this downtrend, Ethereum good to go. However, if we fail to close above this, expect Ethereum to fall down to about 400. But again, folks, remember, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. Litecoin to USD, nice little descending wedge we're still respecting. Pretty straightforward as well. If we break and close below $93, expect Litecoin to fall down to about 75. However, if we break and close above $100, next target for Litecoin, folks, is about 115. But again, just my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor. But today's coin of the day, folks, is Tron. So we're looking at Tron to BTC on the daily. Binance is the broker. Nice little double top we formed here at about 1,000 Satoshis. Since then, been in a nice little downtrend. However, we did double bottom here as well on the daily. It wasn't, the gap between this double top and this double bottom isn't nearly the same. This is a lot stronger than this. However, if we're looking at it from a long-term perspective, we are in a nice little uptrend. Higher high, higher low. Failed to form the higher high. However, we still formed that higher low from what it seems like. If we switch over to the 4-hour really quick, folks, you can see we have a nice little double bottom. Bottom 1, bottom 2, nice little whammy. Let me actually adjust this because this is wrong. I don't know why I put this down here. But that's where did a lot of consolidating here. This was our previous resistance. Almost came to touch it. We didn't get close. Came back down, formed a double bottom. We broke through it. Came back down to test for support here at about 700 Satoshis. And now it looks like we're actually testing it again for that double confirmation. Momentum is showing us we are heading towards the downside. Let's go ahead and see what the hourly is showing us. So the hourly actually is showing us higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Double bottom, possibly. Bottom 1, bottom 2. So what I'm waiting for, folks, I actually already took a buy on this, but simply because, I was just kind of been watching Tron for a while. However, if we get that break and close above 725 Satoshis, Tron should be good to go. As you can tell, Higher lows are being formed. Higher low 1, higher low 2, higher low 3. Momentum definitely starting to shift towards the upside, so Tron looks like it's a good buy. If we go, actually, let's go ahead and remove those. Switch over back to the weeklies, kind of get an idea of the bigger picture here. Let me show you guys what I'm expecting. So some of you see it, some of you may not. Long term, this is bottom 1. Long term, this is bottom 2. Came up, major resistance here at 1,000. Our previous resistance at 600 has now become support. Nice little whammy double bottom is what we got forming on here. Momentum looks like it's still heading towards the downside, but it's definitely starting to slow down. And it looks like this weekly candle is actually going to be engulfing this, which means, we could actually be getting a very, very good and very, very early entry here on Tron for the beginning of our bull market. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. But where do I see Tron going in 2018? Currently sitting at about 720 Satoshis. I think we could easily come up to its all-time high here at about 2,500 Satoshis. That's my first target. Second target, a little bit more aggressive, sitting at about 3,000 Satoshis. But I'm pretty sure these targets are going to be blown in 2018, maybe 2019. Definitely expecting these to be hit towards late 2018, but these are going to be passed in 2019 for sure. But again, folks, that's pretty much it for today's video. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote, keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, you have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're one of those. That's alright. I love you guys too. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.